Nothing new will come until you change yourself. Days are precious. If one day passes, it means you have another day. So spend each day thoughtfully. If you don't speed up the goal, it becomes a passion. Successful people do things that unsuccessful people cannot. Destination cannot be changed overnight, but attitude and thinking can be changed. The poor spend their wealth and save what is left, but the rich continue to hoard and spend what is left. If you are sincere about a few things, one day you will surely become the master of many things. I kept blaming everything else for my failure when I realized the problem was within me. Book education will give you employment, and self-knowledge will make your fortune. Success is nothing but repeating a few simple things. The walls we build around ourselves to keep sadness away are the same walls that keep our happiness away from us. If you really want to do something, you will find a way. But if you are not serious, you will always find excuses. If you don't make your own life decisions, chances are someone else will. Eating is not a problem, but reading books is never. You don't have to ask to buy a book, but not reading a book can be very expensive. If you don't like something, I will change it. You are not a tree that will always stay in the same place. Never study easy stuff. You may enjoy it, but not success. Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but not time. Feel the passion and joy in doing even the mundane things better. Learn to calm down instead of getting frustrated. Do not wish for ease of work, but for your improvement. Instead of fearing difficulties, learn more skills, not for the elimination of problems. Income is better than salary. Salary can only support your life, but income will change your fortune. You are the essence of the 5 people you spend the most time with.